Out to depart. Let me rephrase that. We are just about to depart. So I'll be showing you the trip from Helsby to Ellesmere Port with commentary. Don't worry, if you want to skip to go passing certain stations, I'll put a load of annotations in it. Ooh, this is a loud train. Yeah, I'll take a seat. So, this is Helsby. The next station is Ince Elton, which will be arriving at in approximately 2 minutes. This place is part of Frodsham, I think, yeah. Maybe I should really, if I go on this again, I'll be telling you a lot more facts about this one. Basically an empty train, blah blah blah, you know the gist of it. So that is, I think that's Stanlow, I think. So I know there's loads of oil refineries over there. Personally no houses. Ince Elton's like a small quaint village. I've been there once. Got a few shops there, but it's well, if you want a good day out, then I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you want to do it for the train journey, then do it. Next train station will be Ince Elton. If I can just see if I can just, you'll find out what I'm trying to show you now. Is it Ince Elton? Yeah, I think it is. Hopefully my phone won't die this time, because I tried doing this before, or early last year. My phone died, so I couldn't show the whole journey. Don't worry. This is Ince Elton. We are now approaching. We should be approaching any second now. So sit up now while you enjoy. As you know, this is a very, very quiet service. I can't stress that enough. Unfortunately, I can't do the journey back on the same day, because the ticket only goes from Helsby to Ellesmere Port, so I don't think it'd be fair if it is from Ellesmere Port to Helsby. I've tried that journey, but you'd have to change at Warrington, then go to Earlstown, change at Earlstown, then back to Lime Street. We're now approaching Ince Elton. It's a good train journey, I think. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this journey. I don't know why. It's strange. In fact, probably spoken to more people on this service than I have than any other. I mean, I've been on this approximately 3 or 4 times beforehand. Last time I went on this, I tried to record, but my phone ran out of power. So what I've done, I've made sure I had enough power before I actually came on the train with, I think, 60%. For about 10 minutes is fine. Ooh, hold on. Yep, I think we're approaching Ince Elton. I've spoken with the driver, and I think this is the best if you want to go to Ince Elton. Get the Helsby train here and then get the one on the way back. See, you can walk across the rail. See, it's just bizarre. Anyone? Anybody? No. Anyone here? Probably found out in a minute. Just checking to see if anyone's on. If not, screw it. No, no one. Just me. No, this is probably not the problem to sound stupid, but this is the quietest service I've ever been on. Because all the other times I've had at least one other passenger with me. But this is just, oh. Anyway, there's Ince Elton. And just jumped. Oh man, Ince Elton. I'm just wondering, is this the name after Elton John? It is bizarre. Elton. Yeah, the Ellesmere Port Hellby service. Elton's named after Elton John. Next station, Stanlow Thornton, and then Ellesmere Port. I can't show you Port. Yeah. This is probably one of the only services or videos of this service where somebody actually talks. Because I've seen others and they're just the journeys I find boring. I've been splitting this down into parts. Ince Elton, Stanlow Thornton, Ellesmere Port. And my next journey, for those who are interested, will be, I don't know. I've got some journeys in mind, but I'm not sure I've got enough money. So here we are, Stanlow and Thornton. Glued at this huge railway lines. I love that noise. It's so quiet. I'm the only one. I'm the only one here. I'm going to be shocked when everyone gets on at Ellesmere Port. This is Stanlow and Thornton oil refinery. I think it's my best. There we go. Stanlow and Thornton oil refinery. Stanlow, I think. It's an oil refinery. Here we are. Stanlow and Thornton. Anybody? Anyone getting on? Be surprised if anyone does. Stanlow and Thornton. Don't think anyone's going to get on. Could be wrong. Well, this probably sounds completely stupid, but this is the quietest time I've ever seen the service. There's absolutely no one on it. The only question is, will somebody at Ellesmere Port get on? I'll find that out. What I could do is go on full length. Yeah. So that is Stanlow and Thornton Industrial Estate. Oil refinery. Why do they keep this railway running? I guess it's sad people like me can come and film it. I think the next stop will be Ellesmere Port. Stanlow Industrial Estate. I haven't really tried getting off this station. I love that noise. Next stop, Ellesmere Port. This train 2 minutes. This is, I have seen, but I'm not sure how true it is, there may be a service from Chester to Helsby, northern. So if I find out when that's running, I then go on it. Then that'll be fine. Because apparently there is such a limited service. So, we are now approaching Ellesmere Port. Lovely place, Port. Asda. Oil tank. Yeah, this is an oil refinery. I can picture myself working here. You've got Shell, petrol cars and stuff. You know, this is such a quiet service. To be honest, I'm surprised to see it last as long as it has. Because as you can see, if you've watched the whole thing, I am the only person on it. Only person on this blasted service. Well, seems to me I may show off the rest of the train. Show you my clean meat, see? Ooh, without slowing down for something. Clean meat. This train has come from Line Street, so what I don't understand, what I think would make more sense, is to have a service from Line Street to Helsby, a northern one, instead of having to change to Chester or Earlstown. I mean, it would make much more sense. When I spoke with them and said the trains come from Line Street, I thought, well, why isn't the train coming from Line Street when it's not carrying any passengers? Anyway, that's enough rambling. Phone seemed pretty good. I'll be uploading this when you see this currently the day is Valentine's Day, Saturday the 14th. Whatever day to spend your Valentine's Day with your true love, the Helsby to Ellesmere Port train. And we are approaching Ellesmere Port. So this go out after. God, that's sad. I'll just show you the rest of the journey. Hopefully, could show you, well, I don't know, I wouldn't really feel comfortable recording people without their permission. What I don't understand, and I think this is some years ago, Israel actually had a service from Ellesmere Port to Helsby. Well, if Israel continued from
Shall be arriving at Ellsmere Port, but this service will terminate. All change Ellsmere Port.
And he says all change, he means me. Oh, good. So yeah, this is the Ellesmere Port to Hellsby line. I'll be doing, well, don't want to jump the gun or say it's Ellesmere Port. Good old Major L. Ellesmere Port. So yeah, this is it for this train journey. I think I can fit this all in a 15-minute video. So yeah, speak to you later. And my train's just arrived. Okay, speak to you later. Ta-ra.